What is going on, YouTube world? I'm your brother Reza. This is KRT Life, KRT Life with the Y, and the weather just happens to be really good, so I thought it would be a good time for y'all to give y'all a quick update on my 997 steering wheel upgrade. Alright, so a few months back, I modified the steering wheel on my Porsche 997. I saw somebody on Instagram that did it in the UK, and I was like, wow, I absolutely have to do that. So I made it my life's journey to modify the steering wheel on my 997, and it came out amazing. I absolutely love it. And I've gotten a lot of views in that video, and I get a lot of questions on that video. One of the main questions that I get is, does my horn work? So I'm about to show y'all right now that my horn does actually work and function. So that answers the question, does my horn work? Other things I get asked a lot about is the actual panels that block the back of the steering wheel. I never actually made the aluminum pieces that I said that I was going to make. I just kind of left it how it was because actually, to me, it looks pretty good. It's not noticeable, and it fits the actual function and flow of the car. I kind of feel like it just, yeah, you don't really notice them. So I just kind of left that. But it would be nice to get some aluminum blocks and shave them down and put them in there, but not gonna do that. The actual feel of the steering wheel and the drive of the steering wheel is just worlds better and worlds apart from the actual old steering wheel. Whenever I do go and pick up that old steering wheel when I'm moving it around in my parts bin, I'm just like, wow, I can't believe I used to drive with this thing. It's so thin and flimsy feeling. This one, I mean, the little thumb pockets, the thickness of the leather, the softness of the leather, the texture of it, everything about this steering wheel is like infinitely better than the stock steering wheel that came in my 997. So if you have a Porsche 997 and you plan on keeping that thing for a substantial amount of time, I would definitely do this modification. It completely changes the interior of the car. It changes the feel. It changes the aesthetic. I mean, it just turns a zero into a hero. That's the best way to put it. And yeah, so do it. KRT Life, KRT Life for Y. Like, subscribe, comment, all that cool stuff. Thank you for watching the original video, and I hope this video right here clears up any of the further questions that y'all might have about the 997 steering wheel swap. Definitely do it. Peace.